ịma one thing dị very certain these days bụ na onye ọbụla chọsiri ebe a si eri kọntrị adịghị mma, countries hard. So onye fu nke onye eticha wee nọrọ ọfụma ọ ga-eme ya times 100. Unu afụ this guy na ọ ga-abụrụ lesusu ọga ya garie ka o wee nọrọ mma. Ọ dị very bad that we have gotten to this level. Share this video. Share the video.
This is the
house.
one.
See the guy, person wey carry the motor Ajawe from Ajawe State. One go sell the motor for
of the car.
1.6 million. My security why they pay? Carry your face up, might they see you? Shebi see am. I talk am say na you carry the motor. You tell me say you wan go sell your papa, you wan go share your papa land. Today na Boronu na you dey so. Shebi see handcuff for your hand. Na Boronu na be this. You wan go sell motor. Upon side they feed you, they give everything wey you need. Na me dey pay your salary. Which bad thing I do again? Nothing. Wetin you wan make you come sell my motor?
So the car where is
Na you come drive the motor comot. You wear pocket hat, you wear white cap. The time wey you dey come drive am, my neighbor see you. But because of you put on cap, he cannot recognize you. Now you dey Makinde police station. You wan go sell am for Ibrahim, wey dey sell motor for stopover hotel for airport road. Na him call him brother wey be lawyer, wey arrest you. So this thing I go put am for our platform because you don thief our gen too much. Shut up, you don thief our gen too much. Today, you are going to prison. No only motor now you don thief. You wan thief big one. You are going to prison. So now we are moving from Makinde to Ajao station.
Police station.